This is the PCB for mobile charger, in which there is two diodes are used. One diode is here and another diode is here, and there is a transformer. Now by using two diodes we can prepare full wave rectifier. In full wave rectifier, the circuit diagram by using P-N junction diode is as given in figure. The input AC voltage which is to be rectified is applied across the primary of the transformer. This is the primary of the transformer, and secondary terminal of transformer S1 and S2 are connected to the P region of both diode D1 and D2, and the common terminal of both diode D1 and D2 is connected to the center tape of the transformer through the load resistance. So in this way output is taken across the load resistance. Now here, due to AC voltage, the input AC voltage, the polarity of secondary of the transformer is alternately changes. So during the first positive half cycle, S1 is positive and S2 is negative. Means diode D1 is in forward bias and diode D2 is in reverse bias, and diode D1 conduct the current, diode D2 does not conduct the current, and current is flowing through the load resistance RL, and current loop is completed. Now during the negative half cycle, S1 is negative, S2 is positive, means diode D2 is in forward bias, diode D1 is in reverse bias, and diode D2 conduct the current, diode D1 does not conduct the current, and current is flowing through the load resistance RL, and current loop is completed. So in this way, during both cases, the current is flowing in only one direction from A to B through the load resistance RL, and in the if you observe the input waveform and output waveform, then it is observed that during positive half cycle or during the negative half cycle, output is obtained and full wave is obtained in the output across the load resistance. So in this way, such type of circuit is called as full wave rectifier.